you was your mess, ayy. Can't keep my dick in my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy. She kicked me out on life, bro, ayy. That bitch don't wanna be.
Hi guys, what's up? It is Camarria, and today I'm gonna be doing a eyeshadow tutorial, or get ready with me, depending on how this video goes. Today I'm gonna be utilizing my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I already did my eyebrows, but they're not really cooperating today, so like don't come at them. I set it with my NYX Don't Fret It, and I primed it with my e.l.f. eyelid primer. Yeah, let's just get started with this tutorial. Brown type of deal color for the transition. It's like a yellow color. All these colors will be linked down below. Actually, I'm gonna use this bright color right here. Hopefully that shows up, but who knows if it will show up. We're just gonna try it out. Okay, she's pigmented. I don't really have that many brushes. I mean, I have brushes, but I don't really have like the full eye brush set. Some of the brushes are literally the same brush, if you ask me. We got a little bit of like a yellowish like transition shade going on that you can like barely see because I don't know. Keep it light and simple first before we just jump into the colors. I don't know if this is gonna show up either, but we're gonna try it, and it's this color. Watch y'all. You guys can barely see anything. She's definitely pigmented. Okay, literally I can barely tell that there's any color on my eye. We should gonna go in with this color right here, inner corner, like right there. You know, to really bring the look together. You know what I was supposed to do? I told myself I would do one eye off camera so I could just recreate it, but I knew dang well that was not gonna work, so, and I totally forgot to do that. Oh my god. I always get it like to my brow bone. I always bring it up to my brow bone accidentally, not on purpose, because I would not do that on purpose, but it always ends up all the way up there. Like just one little random spot up there, and I'm just like, oh my god. Honestly, at this point, I really don't know what I'm doing. We want the turquoise up in there. And blending is gonna be our best friend. I did not mean to put it that high. I am sad. This is becoming a very sad case. Very slowly but surely turning into a sad case. Really fast. Rapidly turning into a sad case. So I'm using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader blending brush, and we're just gonna try to blend everything together. We want that green to like be blended out. That's what I'm talking about. We wanted her to be bright. She'll do you, she'll do me. She's got that kind of loving. Going with that. That was the color we just was looking at a couple seconds ago. That wasn't supposed to be there just yet. We are just taking her and blending her and blend and blend. Testing our blending skills today, you know. We are trying our best to blend. Blend. Oh, my Shark Boy and Lava Girl stuff. Oh, my Shark Boy. It's like the turquoise keeps disappearing. The color keeps literally going away, or I don't know if it's just fallout or what. She'll do you, she'll do me. Very messy right now. It's looking pretty messy. A random flat brush, spraying it with just some regular water. It's a water in a perfume bottle. And I'm just spraying it with some water, make sure it's wet. Like the ocean. It's not wet like the ocean. So we're gonna spray it until it's wet like the ocean. Okay, it's kind of wet like the ocean. Shimmery, turquoise type of deal. Aquafina water dripping to the inner. I low-key think I want to use 2 glitters, but I don't know if that's like doing the most. One with the green too, and we're gonna put that on the outer part. I feel like you guys saw 0 of what I did. I don't know if that made sense. I think you guys saw like nothing I pretty much did. So this just could be a fail. We're gonna line it with my e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna scoot up close so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I was having an eyelash malfunction, so instead we're just gonna use regular mascara. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay, the real mascara, and this is just a mini size because I haven't got the real size yet. And I'm pretty sure I still have mascara on from like 2 or 3 days ago. Let's do the foundation and stuff. So we're gonna be trying something new today and priming my face. Benefits Professional Pro Balm to minimize pores. And I have a lot of pores on my face right now, so we probably need this today. Useful today to take those pores away. We don't need you, baby. Gotta lay out your foundation before you do anything else. I'm using a light concealer, and this is in the shade 35 Deep. And I just want to use this to highlight my features. We're gonna pretend like we're professionals, and I'm gonna take that flat brush again, and we're gonna just take this and we're gonna take some colors that we already used. I think we're gonna take the green on the inner. That is not the green, I just dipped in pure black. What was I thinking? So we're taking that green color we used earlier in this video, and I'm gonna put him right here. And that to the outside. Okay, we need to blend that one out. I'm trying the Hype today, and this is the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent. That was so weird. Why did I say it like that? Translucent. Just got it today, and I'm really excited to use it because they finally had it at my local Walmart, and they finally had the right shade. Should I say what? Oh, I haven't even contoured yet. I was like, something's missing out of this makeup look. I mean, there's obviously more stuff missing, but I mean, like, what's the major thing I'm missing though? You know, sharp little line or contour. We're gonna go in with the shade 50 by the Model's Own Stick foundation stick, whatever. Angled foundation brush, but I think I'm gonna use it as a contour brush. Who cares? Okay, we're gonna dust it off now. I shake it off, I shake it off. So I'm just using my NYX, but you can use any one, it don't matter. It do not matter. An eyeliner is an eyeliner. I have this Equate fan brush. Oh, it's so soft and cute. So for highlight, I'm gonna be using this MAC Mineral Skin Finish, and this is in the shade Gold Deposit. And I don't know whose this is, but I found it in my house. It's not my mom's for sure. Is anything even getting on this brush?